Did you enjoy the previous video? Actually, making this video only takes 2 steps. First, go to my daily workbench. If you click the link in the comment section, you can also get 1000 RH points. Logging in every day will also give you 100 bonus points, which is more than enough for experiencing the latest AI technology. Here, you can set up your desired character's appearance, like face shape, hair color, body type, and so on. You can also add a location if you'd like. Then upload a photo of the face you like and adjust the image ratio. The default is 9:16. Hit run, and the look you want will appear right away. That's the first step. The next step is even easier. Just go to this app, upload the image you just created, wait a moment, and a video of her teasing you will be ready.